Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. A couple of months ago in the springtime, I completely pruned back my hydrangea Annabelles right down to the ground. 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. It looked aggressive and brutal and dramatic, and I'm sure some people were thinking, well, they'll never grow back, but I've done this several times now, and I did promise you a results video. This is the results video, only 2 months later. We're still only in April, and as you can see, if I bring the camera in close, all 3 of them are really responding well. Not only did I prune them right back, I planted them into the ground in that original video, which, as I've already said, will be linked below this one. Wonderful. Now, in the space of only 2 months, these will grow up to here, and then they'll produce those lovely, great big white hydrangea Annabelle blooms. That one there is not looking as healthy as these 2. Unfortunately, I stood on it because I couldn't see it. That's why I've put these bricks round, and I think I did some damage, but nevertheless, it's really starting to show signs of recovery. So there we are. Hydrangea Annabelle pruning, the results. And don't forget, the original video will be linked below this one. Bye for now.